Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Ocean Credit Card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the search box at the top and type in Ocean Credit Card Login and press enter on your keyboard. Go to the first search result that you can see on the display and give it a click. From the official webpage of Ocean Finance, go and click on the sign in link appearing right next to already have an Ocean Credit Card account. Soon after you click on the link, this will open up a new tab. Go to the sign in area. Right where you can see it, you'll be able to see the Capital One sign-in area popping up on your display. Since your Ocean credit card is issued by Capital One, go to the first username text box and type in your username. After you do that, head over to the next field and type in your password correct associated with your account. Scroll down and click on the sign-in button. After you get your credentials correct, if you've forgotten your username or your password, select I've forgotten my username link and follow the on-screen prompts for your username, and similarly you can also retrieve your forgotten password back by clicking on I've forgotten my password and following the instructions. After you type in your credential, just click on the sign in button to get access to your Ocean credit card online. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.